Hi y'all, I'm Lisa. Welcome back to Studio 9. Our note for today is going to be done up, the 8th note. So check it out. Let's get it up close there where you can see it. Okay, see how this is tied together at the top. 2 notes together. So we know to play these together. In music, we would call those 1 and, or 2 and, or 3 and, or 4 and. But since we're not working with numbers yet, we're working on colors. We're just going to call them dun dun. Okay? Now this is also an 8th note. But you see it's all by itself. It's not tied to anything. The tie just kind of goes and falls off there. But this is also an 8th note. Today we're not going to be working with this 8th note. We will down the road. But it's still an 8th note. I just wanted to go ahead and put that out there so we don't get confused. This is the 8th note we're going to be working with today. Done up. Okay? So, if we were going to clap that, it would be done up. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. If we were playing it slow, it would go dun dun. If we were playing it fast, it would go dun, real fast. Dun, dun. And if you notice when I clap, when I get ready to go fast, it's so much easier to clap when you're just clapping next to your palm as opposed to trying to put your hands together. So, fast, dun, dun, slow is dun, dun. Of course, in today's video, we're going to start off real slow. We always want accuracy over speed. We can add the speed later. On a keyboard, it's going to go. Got to turn on first. Okay, so let me get that close for you. Dum 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 dum. In today's song, we're going to have a whole lot of dun-ups. So let's get your music together. And if you haven't printed it out yet, there's a link below. Follow that to print out your music. We're going to do Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. All right. So you can find this music, the link to print it out below. They'll take you right to it, and you can print that out and have it ready, or you can just pause this video and copy this down. Remember, you can copy it down on just a regular piece of paper to put in a folder, which is what I would do. I try to keep all of the music together, just in a little folder like this, something like that right there. Or, you know, you can, if you have a way to laminate these, you can copy it down, put it on laminate, punch some holes in the sides, and stick it in a folder. So anyway, so either, if you haven't downloaded the music, go ahead and download that, or just pause the video and copy that. And then next, we want to make sure that we've got our colors on the keyboard. Where they go? Let's get going on this. I am just going to go ahead and play right through it. Our first note is 8th notes. So purple 8th notes. We're going to go down here and find, where's my purple 8th note? 8th note, where are you? Purple? Oh, there you are. So I'm just going to play that 2 times. Whew, that's loud. I'll go over here to my volume. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit, like that. Okay, so now purple 8th notes. That's still loud. Hang on a second. Okay. Too soft. Okay. And then the next set of notes here after the purple, we've got the green 8th notes. So that is really cool. Most of the song is in 8th notes. So I promise you by the time this lesson's over, we're going to know what our 8th notes are. Green 8th notes. So we're going to play that 2 times because 2 notes tied together. All right, next up, we've got orange 8th notes. So we're going to go down here and find our orange, and we're going to play that 2 times. Okay, let's see what we've got up next.
What is that?
we've got a green quarter note all by himself. I'll put quarter note. So you see how it just has one, that's it, just one note all alone. So we're going to go down here, we're going to find the green, and we're just going to play that one time. Now the next line down, we've got 2 black notes followed by 2 yellow notes. So let's see if we can do those both together. Black, black, yellow, yellow. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to find, and see they're right next to each other. So that's cool. Black, black, yellow, yellow. See? We're just two blacks and 2 yellows. Black, black, yellow, yellow. Let's see what's next. So black, black, yellow, yellow. Pink, pink, and then a purple quarter note. So 2 pinks and 1 purple. Okay. So let's go down here. Pink, pink, pink. Oops. Sorry. Pink, pink, pink. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and play that from the top. Just the first section. Okay? And it's probably best to do these in sections, because if you're trying to do this whole thing with a 2-year-old or a 3-year-old, they may, after the first couple lines, this all start to run together for them. You may want to break it down in pieces. You can put a line through it there. And what they'll do is if they play it over and over enough, they're probably just going to memorize it. And then you can go to the second part. Then after that, you can go to the third part. So you want to not try to overwhelm them with playing the whole thing. And if they do, then that's great. You can tell they're going to really be into the piano. But after a few times of doing this video, you know, they should be able to get it and play through the whole thing. But just starting out, you know, kids just don't work like that sometimes when they're that little. So just go easy on them, okay? This curriculum is designed to go at your own pace and also to have fun. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to zoom in on the second part. Whoopsie. And I'm just going to play just that second part. And I've got green, green, black, black, yellow, yellow, pink. And then it does that again. Green, green, black, black, yellow, yellow, pink. Okay, now let's go here and take a look at that. Green, black, black, yellow, yellow, pink. Green, 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 And then the last part is the same thing that we did in the first part. Exactly the same thing, no difference. So, I'm going to go ahead and play that whole last part together. Green, green, orange, orange, green, black, black, yellow, yellow, pink, pink, purple. Well, how did y'all do? I thought we did pretty good. Now you've got a couple songs to add to your folder, and we've got a whole lot more songs coming up. Parents, after these first few lessons, when the kids start to understand how the whole curriculum works, you don't even have to be there. They can just hop on YouTube and figure out how to do it for themselves if you have their music printed out for them. You know how much kids love YouTube, so that's never going to be a problem. Anyway, I look forward to seeing y'all again. Make sure to hit the subscribe if y'all want to learn more stuff. Thank you for stopping by.